In more developments that are taking place in Mamata blocking the CBI, now you have Chandrababu Naidu of the TDP, who is holding discussions with the opposition parties in Delhi and drafting an action plan on a nationwide movement to support Mamata's fight. So it seems that this protest will now escalate and will be intensified by other leaders also now will be joining hands with Mamata Banerjee. In solidarity already standing was Chandrababu Naidu, and he plans to take the fight further out from West Bengal and turn it into a nationwide protest against the Modi-led central government. Now he's been holding discussions in Delhi, and thereafter will be planning an action plan on a nationwide movement to support Mamata Banerjee's fight to save constitution, to save democracy, as she has been claiming since last evening. She also continues to be on an indefinite dharna there. Coming back early this morning today, she plans to stay on this dharna till the time you have the intervention coming from the top court. Abhishek Kapoor, our executive editor, joining us this morning. Abhishek, now the move next will be, as per Chandrababu Naidu's intentions, that to move this protest out of West Bengal and turn it into a pan-India protest.
Well, Amita, what we are seeing is a very blatant politicization of essentially an investigation issue or a law and order issue, where CBI, entrusted by the Supreme Court of the country to investigate the case after the Bengal police did not make headway, or actually was seen to be not deliberately making a headway, is obstructed, and Mamata sees in that some attempt by the center to make inroads into Bengal, and that is why she is sitting on the dharna. And as if on cue, almost the entire opposition that sees in this an opportunity to bond again after recently held a rally at the Brigade Parade grounds in Kolkata is rallying behind Mamata. So N. Chandrababu Naidu, Akhilesh Yadav, Tejasvi Yadav, and Congress President Rahul Gandhi, they have all, been speaking on this. Interesting bit, Amita, that the state unit of Bengal of the Congress party is actually not with Mamata on this. They believe that a big corruption case is being investigated by the CBI, and the CBI should be allowed to do its job.
Well, Abhishek, it more looks like a political opportunity that is being played by the opposition parties coming together to take on the Modi government. We saw on the 19th of Jan congregation of that United India Front. Now it seems you have another opportunity, that you have other political parties to gang up against a Modi government and the BJP as well. Thank you very much for the moment, because so far talking about the CBI and what you have Mamata Banerjee claiming that there is an imminent threat to the autonomous and constitutional bodies. Look exactly how her police reacted yesterday, especially when it comes to roughing up and heckling all the CBI officials in Kolkata.